Hello again, everybody. Well, I decided on the spur of the moment, so to speak, to make a video about what I've been doing otherwise as far as like model trains and stuff goes. Well, I've been setting up my workshop. What you're seeing here is my desk. Okay. So most of it, there's my desk with some. I made those two things out of cardboard and toilet paper and paper towel rolls, especially that one on right there, using a cheap Lazy Susan table from Walmart. And these are toilet paper things. And up here is the ones from paper towels. Made this the same way out of a wine box from the liquor store. Yes, creative, I know, but cheap. Yep. Oh yeah, cheap and easy to make. Glue, cardboard that I got. So, I don't believe it's like, hey, avoid wasting it. So other than that, though, also got myself and set up an airbrushing booth. Yay. And have paints and primers and stuff. So I'm doing that. On the other side, got this. This is a TV I've had since 2009, 2010. It's a 47-inch LCD LED television that's being used as a computer monitor for a computer that I built myself. I bought the computer for eBay and completely redid it, except for the motherboard and CPU. All right, so there we go. There's that. Aside from that, have a scroll saw down here. Yes, it does work. It works fine. A Fiskars cutter, a miniature Dremel table saw that I got from Steve Nordhausen, who's a friend of mine, Makerspace I belong to. A Craftsman bandsaw. Yes, that's a 2-meter band ham radio because I'm getting into ham radio again. This is a 10-inch bandsaw that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. All these things I got off of Facebook Marketplace. That is my very first 3D printer, my Ender 3. That is my first new 3D printer, an FDM Neptune 3 from Elegoo. And I also got and recently acquired a Cricut Explorer Air 2, which is now hooked up, Bluetooth and everything. So I can make decals, I can make station signs, I can make signs, billboard signs, I can even make buildings and parts. I can even make car sides on this thing because it can cut things up to 24 inches long, which is way longer than O scale. So I can actually partly make car sides on this in O scale as well. 12 inches wide by 24 inches deep. All right, and over here, I've got two resin printers. The big one on the left is my Elegoo Saturn II, which is brand new, and the Saturn S next to it, I bought on Facebook Marketplace. Yes, I get a lot of things on Facebook Marketplace. I get them, and I redo them. And I've added, this is sitting on a dresser that I got for free, yeah, of course, and I've added an LED lamp inside so I can work at night, So the dresser holds 3D printing tools and components, like FEP screens and stuff like that, nozzles and stuff for the FDM printers. And over here, we switch over here. And this milling machine, I have to do the software configuration for, but other than that, though, this one works. Here's my Sherline lathe, which works, is up and running. That's the monitor for that milling machine. And this milling machine is the same one as the first one. Only thing is I made this into a manual one by adding new hand wheels to it and disconnecting all the software. But I had to get a speed controller for the spindle because when you turn it on, the spindle just goes like 10,000 RPM constantly. So I got a speed control for it. That was off of Amazon. But this I bought from Steve Nordhausen as well. And I have my drill press here, which I use. And this is a TAG mill that I'm going to be CNC mill that I'm going to be going ahead and getting ready to get started and get done with and sort of make it running. I mean, it needs a motor and a few other things, so I'll be getting this done. So, and that's about it. This is my whole workshop pretty much. And there's the compressor for the airbrush. And got a mask, and the hose for the airbrush goes out the window to a board that I made for it. Anyway, this is my workshop. It's actually the second bedroom of my apartment. So, and there's a bookcase that I made for all of my material reading, my references and reading materials and stuff, even photographs that I've printed out. That's most of it. And there's my desktop computer, Dell 9020 Optiplex Mini Tower. I swapped out the power supply for a 550 watt power supply, put in a 2 terabyte solid state hard drive. I put in a GTX 1650 Super video card. A few other goodies in there too. So, yep. Oh, I even added a Wacom drawing tablet I got at Facebook Marketplace, and that is a touchscreen for a Raspberry Pi. Anyway, just to catch up on what I've been setting from what I've been doing. So anyway, hope you guys have a great week, and I will talk with you soon. Have a good one. Bye-bye.